The world's first cryopreservation facility, TimeShift, is pioneering a new frontier in human longevity by freezing patients with terminal illnesses to pause disease progression and preserve their bodies until cures are found. Founded by leading scientists, this groundbreaking center aims to extend human lifespans and offer hope for a future where aging and fatal diseases can be halted. Beyond medicine, cryopreservation could also enable humans to survive extreme disasters by entering a state of hibernation, with the possibility of waking up in a better world. TimeShift represents a bold step toward unlocking the secrets of immortality and transforming how we approach life and death. Pixxel's Firefly satellites are transforming space-based Earth observation with their groundbreaking hyperspectral imaging capabilities. These small yet powerful satellites capture over 150 spectral bands at a sharp 5-meter resolution, allowing us to see Earth in stunning detail, from monitoring crop health and water pollution to detecting climate change indicators. Launched aboard SpaceX's Transporter-12 mission, the Firefly satellites have already begun delivering high-precision images of critical regions like the Ganga River and the Sundarbans. As Pixxel aims to deploy a full constellation of 24 satellites by 2026, this technology is set to revolutionize how we monitor, protect, and understand our planet in real time. Ocean 2 by Panthalassa is a next-generation wave energy buoy designed to turn ocean motion into clean, renewable power. Floating off the coast of Puget Sound, this innovative system uses flexible modular panels that move with the waves to generate up to 50 kilowatts of electricity, enough to power a small coastal town. Built with corrosion-resistant materials, it's engineered to withstand harsh marine environments while operating silently and without disturbing local sea life. During recent sea trials, Ocean 2 proved both reliable and eco-friendly, showing the world a new path toward sustainable ocean energy. With plans to scale this technology into massive floating arrays by 2030, Panthalassa is aiming to power the future, one wave at a time. The Walker S2, a groundbreaking humanoid robot developed by UBTech Robotics that's changing the future of automation. Standing 162 centimeters tall and weighing 43 kilograms, this intelligent robot features 52 degrees of freedom and a revolutionary self-charging ability. It can autonomously walk to a charging station, remove its own depleted battery, and replace it with a fresh one in under 3 minutes, all without human help. Powered by dual lithium batteries, Walker S2 can operate non-stop with up to 2 hours of walking or 4 hours of standing per charge. Its advanced AI and vision system allow it to make real-time decisions and seamlessly manage long-duration tasks, making it perfect for industrial and logistics environments. With this level of autonomy, the Walker S2 sets a new standard in 24/7 robotic performance. EctoLife is a futuristic concept that envisions the world's first artificial womb facility designed to revolutionize childbirth as we know it. Using advanced biotechnology, EctoLife would allow parents to grow their babies in transparent, high-tech pods instead of a mother's womb, offering a completely new approach to reproduction. These pods would monitor every stage of development with real-time data, allowing for genetic customization, health tracking, and even emotional bonding through speakers that play the parents' voices. Created by biotechnologist Hashem Al-Ghaili, this concept pushes the boundaries of science and ethics, raising questions about the future of parenting, human evolution, and what it truly means to give life. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured or cultivated meat, is one of the most revolutionary food technologies of our time. Instead of raising and slaughtering animals, scientists grow real meat from animal cells in a controlled lab environment. This process uses bioreactors to nourish the cells with nutrients, allowing them to multiply and form muscle tissue, essentially creating meat without killing any animals. Lab-grown meat could drastically reduce greenhouse gas emissions, land use, and water consumption, making it a sustainable alternative to traditional farming. As the technology advances, it promises to reshape the global food industry and could soon bring cruelty-free, eco-friendly meat to your plate without compromising on taste or texture. Electroplating 3D printed objects is a cutting-edge process that combines modern additive manufacturing with traditional metal finishing techniques. It involves taking a 3D printed item, often made from plastic or resin, and coating it with a thin layer of real metal like copper, nickel, or even gold. This is done by making the printed object conductive and submerging it in a special solution, where electric current helps the metal bond to its surface. The result? Lightweight parts with the durability, strength, and shine of solid metal. This technology is being used to create everything from custom jewelry and art to functional aerospace components, giving 3D prints a whole new level of performance and style. Inside the world's most advanced particle accelerators, like the Large Hadron Collider, atoms are smashed together at nearly the speed of light to unlock the universe's deepest secrets. These powerful collisions break atoms into their smallest components, revealing particles like quarks, gluons, and even the elusive Higgs boson, the particle that gives mass to everything around us. By recreating the extreme conditions that existed just moments after the Big Bang, scientists can explore the origins of the universe, uncover the nature of dark matter, and study the fundamental forces that hold everything together. This isn't science fiction. It's the cutting edge of physics, shaping our understanding of reality itself. Gigantic wind turbines are pushing the boundaries of renewable energy like never before, transforming the way we harness power from nature. These massive machines, some taller than skyscrapers and with blades as long as football fields, are capable of generating enough electricity to power tens of thousands of homes with a single rotation. Models like the Haliade X by GE, standing over 260 meters tall, produce up to 14 megawatts of energy and are being deployed in large offshore wind farms around the world. Their size allows for more efficient energy capture, lower cost per megawatt, and a significant reduction in carbon emissions. As the demand for clean energy skyrockets, these colossal wind turbines are set to become the backbone of a sustainable global power grid. The Black Hornet Nano, the world's smallest military-grade drone that's transforming modern warfare. Weighing just 32 grams and small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, this nano drone gives soldiers a powerful tactical advantage on the battlefield. Developed by Teledyne FLIR, it can silently fly up to 2 kilometers, streaming real-time HD video and thermal imaging back to the operator. With a flight time of around 25 minutes and the ability to operate in GPS-denied environments, the Black Hornet allows troops to scout enemy positions, peek around corners, and survey hazardous areas without ever risking a life. Already deployed by NATO forces, this pocket-sized spy tool is redefining frontline intelligence gathering and stealth surveillance. Rocket Lab's Neutron Rocket is a next-generation launch vehicle designed to transform space travel with its sleek, reusable architecture. Built from advanced carbon composites and powered by 9 powerful Archimedes engines, Neutron can lift up to 13,000 kilograms into low Earth orbit. Its standout feature is the innovative Hungry Hippo fairing, a clamshell design that opens to release payloads and then closes again for recovery, allowing the rocket to be reused with minimal refurbishment. Targeting both government and commercial missions, including satellite deployment and space station resupply, Neutron is positioned to challenge the industry's heavyweights with faster, greener, and more cost-effective launches. Set for liftoff in 2025, this rocket could be a key player in the new space race. Zeppelin Airships are making a remarkable comeback, merging the rich heritage of early aviation with today's most advanced sustainable technologies. Using non-flammable helium for lift and electric or hybrid engines, these massive airships cut carbon emissions by up to 90% compared to conventional aircraft. Pioneered by innovators like LTA Research, founded by Google co-founder Sergey Brin, and hybrid air vehicles with their Airlander 10, Zeppelins can carry heavy cargo and passengers to remote locations without the need for runways. Their quiet, efficient flights offer new possibilities for eco-friendly transport, disaster relief, and tourism, making Zeppelins a promising and exciting solution for the future of clean, sustainable aviation. The DJI Matrice 400 is the latest powerhouse in industrial drones, designed for high-performance missions like power line inspections, search and rescue, and detailed mapping. With an impressive flight time of up to 59 minutes and a payload capacity of 6 kilograms, it offers unmatched versatility in the field. Packed with cutting-edge sensors, including LiDAR, radar, and stereo vision, it delivers precise obstacle detection even in low visibility. Its modular design allows for multiple payload configurations, and the O4 Enterprise transmission system streams HD video from up to 40 kilometers away. Whether flying over rugged terrain or operating in challenging conditions, the Matrice 400 sets a new standard in professional drone technology. ASML has unveiled its groundbreaking High NA EUV lithography system, set to revolutionize the semiconductor industry by enabling even smaller, faster, and more powerful chips. By increasing the numerical aperture from 0.33 to 0.55, this advanced technology boosts resolution from 13 nm down to around 8 nanometers, allowing nearly 3 times more transistors to fit on a single chip. Developed in partnership with Zeiss, the system features massive, ultra-precise optics and has already been shipped to major players like Intel and TSMC. Intel plans to use High NA EUV in its future 14A node, while TSMC continues testing its potential. This next-gen lithography marks a giant step in chip manufacturing, unlocking new possibilities for AI, high-performance computing, and beyond. James Dyson has unveiled a revolutionary vision for the future of farming with a 26-acre high-tech strawberry farm in Lincolnshire. At its core is a hybrid vertical growing system, giant rotating wheels that hold over 1.2 million plants, maximizing sunlight exposure and boosting yields by up to 250%. This futuristic farm is run by robots that use UV light to kill mold, release beneficial insects for natural pest control, and gently harvest ripe strawberries using robotic arms, all without pesticides. Powered by renewable energy from on-site anaerobic digesters and using recycled rainwater in a closed-loop system, the farm produces over 1,250 tons of strawberries each year. Dyson's innovative approach proves that the future of agriculture can be smart, sustainable, and incredibly efficient. The 100-kilowatt Microwave CO2 Plasma system is a groundbreaking technology that uses high-frequency microwave energy to generate plasma at temperatures exceeding 6,000 degrees Celsius, capable of breaking down carbon dioxide into valuable components like carbon monoxide and oxygen. Operating at around 915 megahertz, this system achieves up to 80% energy efficiency and offers a clean, scalable solution for converting waste CO2 into useful syngas or hydrogen. Unlike traditional methods, it's electrodeless, compact, and ideal for power-to-gas or power-to-chemicals applications. With its potential to transform industrial carbon emissions into clean energy resources, the 100-kilowatt CO2 plasma reactor is paving the way for a carbon-neutral future. Blue Origin's Moonlander, the Blue Moon Mark II, is a futuristic spacecraft designed to carry astronauts and cargo to the lunar surface with unmatched precision. Developed as part of NASA's Artemis program, this next-generation lander features autonomous navigation, advanced landing technology, and a modular design that allows for both crewed and uncrewed missions. As it descends onto the moon, its powerful engines kick up clouds of lunar dust, while robotic systems prepare to deploy equipment and habitats for future exploration. With sleek visuals and cutting-edge tech, The Blue Moon Mark II represents a major step forward in establishing a long-term human presence on the Moon.